In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Start by opening your browser and heading to the GoDaddy website. Sign in to your account, then open the menu at the top right where your profile is, and choose My Products. From the list, select the domain you want to use with your store. On the Domains page, open the DNS Settings. Keep this tab open, you'll be coming back to it, and quickly copy your domain name so it's ready to paste later. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. In the lower left, click Settings, then select Domains. Choose Connect Existing Domain. Paste the domain you copied a moment ago, and click Next. When you're given connection options, choose Manual Setup. This lets you confirm the exact DNS entries and is especially helpful if you already have other records in place. Shopify will now show you two key pieces of information to add to GoDaddy: an A record value, which is an IP address for the root domain, and a CNAME value for the www version of your domain. Copy the A record value first. Go back to your GoDaddy DNS tab. Find the A record for the host, Add, and click the Edit icon. Replace its value with the A record value you copied from Shopify, then save. If you see multiple A records for Add, keep only the one that points to Shopify's IP to avoid conflicts. Leaving the TTL at its default is fine. Return to Shopify and copy the CNAME value shown for www. Switch back to GoDaddy, locate the CNAME record for the host www, click the Edit icon, paste the value from Shopify, and save. Make sure you're editing the existing www CNAME rather than creating duplicates. Head back to Shopify. The system will check your connection automatically, or you may see a Verify Connection button. Click it if available. DNS updates aren't instant, so don't worry if it doesn't connect right away. It can take a few minutes, and in some cases up to 48 hours, for the changes to fully propagate. While you wait, avoid changing name servers or removing any email-related records you rely on, and keep your GoDaddy DNS page as is. Once Shopify detects the correct A and CNAME records, the domain status will show as connected. From there, you can set it as your primary domain if you want all traffic to use it. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now linked to your Shopify store and ready for visitors.